Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll create a new page, which is password verification code page.js. We'll basically go and copy our password reset landing page and paste in the new page we just created and edit some few things. Yes, we'll first of rename the component. Just copy that and paste. Then I'll go ahead and change the API that's going to be called when the button is clicked. And I'll come to forgot password page and copy the slug and paste it here because it's basically similar stuff. Then I'll set the query to be password equals to a value that we just created on this component, which is going to be password value. Yes. So I think it's showing an error, but first place, okay, the error is cleared. Okay, so head back to that page, and the next thing we need to do is to check some other things that need to be fixed on this page. So I'll first come to our routes. I'll copy a route and paste, then I'll import the new page we just created, which is password verification code page. I'll just type that out, password verification code page, and I'll command space to show me suggestion. Yes, it works. Then I import that, I cut that, and I edit the component name. And I just come back here and copy a similar slug so that I won't waste much of our time. I go back to our route and paste it here. Then I'll change the question mark to semicolon. Yes. The next thing I will do, I will just cut that route. I'll add the forward slash before the semicolon, cut the route, and paste it below the verify email. Yes. So after that, I come back to this component and make some few changes. Yes, yes, I just copy that and paste it in our forgot password page. Then the next thing I need to do is to copy some elements here in the email verification code page and just paste it in a new page we just created so that I won't just waste much of our time. And I'll create a new value, which will be verification string. A new state variable, set verification string equals to use state. Default value will be string. I format my documents and I still take a look at my slug. Just delete a few things. Then I'll add the data that's been sent to the API. I'm just going to include the verification string, format my document. Then after that, I head back to the forgot password page and cut some few things. Yes, remember we are modifying our code now to suit AWS standards of operation. So once that's done, I save all my documents. I come to my routes and I edit this part of the new page you just created. I just let it to be reset password. Yes, I think I'll come and test it now. Click the forgot password, drop in my email address I've been using, send recent link. It's going to show the new page, and if it's successful, the verification code will be delivered to my email box.